The flat Earth theory. It's a concept as old as time itself, or at least as old as ancient civilizations. Imagine a world where the Earth is a flat disk, covered by a dome-like sky. The sun and moon, just celestial spotlights moving across the firmament. This wasn't just a fringe belief, it was the prevailing model for centuries. Ancient cultures lacked the tools and knowledge to observe the Earth from space. Their worldview was shaped by what they saw, a seemingly flat horizon stretching in all directions. Now, it's important to approach this topic with curiosity and logic, not judgment. The human mind is wired to seek patterns and explanations for the world around us. The flat Earth theory, while seemingly inaccurate, provided a framework for understanding the universe in a time before telescopes and space exploration. Fast forward to the present day, and you might be surprised to learn that the flat Earth theory still has its adherents. Why, in an age of scientific advancement, do some still cling to this ancient idea? The answer appears to point at human psyche's tendency towards confirmation bias, the inclination to favor or hold on to information that confirms pre-existing beliefs. It's easier to dismiss new evidence that contradicts our worldview than to re-examine what we have held to be true. Furthermore, the internet and social media have created echo chambers where like-minded individuals can reinforce each other's beliefs, regardless of their validity. The flat Earth theory has found a new lease on life in online forums and YouTube videos where this theory is presented. Despite the persistence of the flat Earth theory, the scientific evidence overwhelmingly supports the fact that Earth is a sphere. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from space exploration. Countless images captured by satellites and astronauts aboard the International Space Station show Earth in all its spherical glory. These images aren't computer-generated trickery. They're a testament to humanity's ability to explore and understand the universe around us. But even without venturing into space, we have ample evidence here on Earth. Consider the experience of watching a ship disappear over the horizon. The ship doesn't simply shrink into the distance. Its hull disappears first, followed gradually by the mast, as if it's being swallowed by the curvature of the Earth. Earth's gravity's pull. Gravity itself provides further proof of Earth's spherical shape. Gravity is a force that pulls all objects towards the center. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. Now imagine Earth as a flat disk. If that were the case, gravity would pull everything towards the center of the disk. This would make it increasingly difficult to walk towards the edge, as you'd be fighting against the pull of gravity. However, we know that gravity pulls us downwards with consistent force no matter where we are on Earth. This is only possible because Earth is a sphere, with gravity pulling everything towards its center. Beyond the horizon, expanding our perspective. The curvature of the Earth also explains why we see different constellations in the night sky depending on our location. If Earth were flat, everyone would see the same stars overhead. However, because Earth is a sphere, the portion of the night sky visible to us changes as we move across the globe. For example, the Southern Cross constellation is visible from the southern hemisphere, but not from most of the northern hemisphere. One flat Earth theory attempts to explain this phenomenon is by suggesting that the stars are just points of light on a dome-like sky. However, this explanation doesn't account for the fact that different stars are visible at different times of the year, a phenomenon caused by Earth's orbit around the sun. The final verdict: embracing the cosmos. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion and is respected, but it seems that the evidence overwhelmingly supports the fact that Earth is a sphere. From satellite images to the laws of gravity, from the curvature of the horizon to the changing constellations in the night sky, the scientific evidence is undeniable. While it's important to approach all beliefs with respect, it's equally important to ground our understanding of the world in evidence-based reasoning. The flat Earth theory, while a fascinating historical footnote, ultimately seems to represent a misunderstanding of an ancient world. So, the next time you gaze at the horizon or marvel at the stars above, ask yourself, are you witnessing the majesty from a spherical Earth or a flat Earth, a planet teeming with life and hurtling through the vastness of space? And in that thought, there's a certain poetic beauty that transcends any flat or round Earth theory. The universe is full of mysteries, and it's up to us to explore them with open minds, mutual respect, and a thirst for knowledge. Who knows what other wonders await us beyond our pale blue dot?